It's me, Jimmy, a geek. Make sure to check out Skillshare here, the Keychron K7. So this is a low profile. Personally, I do not like the regular mechanical keyboard. They're not good for typing. And this is the blue switch. Why? Blue switch are the best for typing, especially the low profile blue switch. If you are looking for the best typing keyboard, get the blue switch. Do not get the brown. I have been using for a year. It's quite bad. I hate the tactile feel. Do not get the red unless you are in some kind of competitive gaming. So this one is with the RGB, but sadly I don't think so. This one is also swappable. It was out of stock, something like that. Okay, and then here's the keyboard. This is a wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Wow, it's quite thin, lightweight. I'm quite impressed. Wow. And okay, let me just turn it on. Okay, it's on. And what is this? What is this? These are some kind of keycaps. Can I take it out or not? Let me see. Okay, here we go. Okay, these are some keycaps. Delete. Okay. So maybe I wanna use some alert or window keycap. This one is window, right? Okay, let me just do it. Okay, let me take out this one. Sadly, the switch is not hot swappable. Oh, I mean the switch is quite light. Can you see? Wow. It's quite small. Okay, I wanna replace with the window key. I think like this. Okay, like this is a window key. Okay, and this one. Because I do not care about the hotspot because I'm not going to replace with anything like another switch, because these are the best switch. Blue is my favorite. Lot. Okay, now this one. Okay. And what about this one? Let me take out this one also. And this one down. And for this one, I wanna go with this alert. Okay. And maybe I wanna change the escape key for a time being also to the regular. Okay, where's the regular escape key? Here we go. No. Let me see. So here the RGB. Light up. Oh, there's a lot of RGB to be honest with you. For example, and how is that typing? Let me just put everything inside and just focus on the typing. Okay, let me just close the box and focus on the typing experience. It have the feet, as you can see, 2 feet. And let's get started with typing. Wow, it's very comfortable. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.